Day 6 of the Volvo build, and the boys were working late last night. They've managed to get a load more welding done. Lewis has started cutting out the rot out of this window section here. That should be done today. The back panel you saw go in yesterday. Lewis has strengthened it with this panel at the back here. Kept the air gaps, but that's nice and strong in there now. That's not going anywhere. What else? This corner here, that's all filled in, lovely, nice now. All the scabby bits on the back boot lip done. Just need to be cleaned up. Wheel arches, the edges, the inner edge and the outer arch are coming today. Hopefully not too late, we can get at least one or two of them, well, at least this side done maybe. This is all finished, floor pans are done, A-pillar's been repaired, just got to do the same on the other side. So as soon as that's done and the big hole in the tub back there, then that should be the welding done. I'm going to carry on stripping the paint, get the glass out of the glass we're going to use out of the other doors and take that to go and get tinted. Hopefully we should still be on schedule to get this thing in primer at the weekend.
Let's hope so. Yeah, as long as we can get welding done today or tomorrow, probably realistically tomorrow, as there's 2 arches to be done with the rest of it. Yeah, would be great.
We've got one more hole up there to sort out as well, in the chassis leg. Don't forget that. Oh, I think the hole's supposed to be there. I think it's just going to scabby around the hole. Need to look up on that. But aerial, we're going to delete the aerial. We don't want the aerial.
Delete the aerial.
Try to find out to get it off. I think we're going to have to drop the roof line in. Can't reach in behind it. That's it. Just carry on today, I think.
I think we need a cup of tea.
Definitely.
And to have a tidy up.
Cup of tea, tidy up, get on it.
Sounds good.
Don't look at my bench. It's a mess. No!
The black bit was a cover which you opened and the bolt is on the top.
You're joking!
We needed to weld it up anyway. No distortion. No more aerial. I think these are the panels for the Volvo. Let's have a look. These panels came from Brookhouse, so thank you to them for getting them over to us so fast.
Ooh!
Inner.
Shiny. How come they're not black?
They look galvanised.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Outers.
How much meat we got to work with on them?
Plenty, they're going to the door shut, so that's good news.
Excellent.
Looks like there's enough there. Awesome.
Get rid of that dodgy repair that we had last time.
And they're opposites, that's awesome.
Yay!
We got some packing stuff. Lower rears, which is scrape. The weather strips, or what do they call them?
Glass scrapers.
Scrapers, I call them
Yeah,
weather strips. I call
weather
them
strips.
scrapers. And a rubber holder for the bottom of the doors. One of the doors is gone, so that's cool. And
Amazing.
that's cool.
Sun visor clip.
And a bag of sweeties.
Oh.
So started to repair the inner arch. Pretty nasty stuff going on here. And that inner doesn't look very happy. So we're going to do some more cutting, do some welding, get it done. Oh, it's not very nice there either. Yay.
Oh dear. What happened last night?
Welcome to day 7 of the 240 build, where we keep finding rusty holes. No, it's coming on okay. The welding's getting there. The rear tubs were pretty holy, so we're just patching them all up. Do it right, do it once. So we're going to change it up a little bit though. I've had enough of doing rusty welding, so we're going to fill up all these holes, all the trim holes. We're going to weld them all up, even the ones with the rear trims.
All smoothed out.
And we'll bond the trims back to the car. Not these ones, we're going to delete this trim, but the lower ones we'll bond them back on, because I figure the less holes there are in a car, the less water gets inside it.
So true.
And all modern trims are put on cars with double-sided tape, so the dual bonding will be alright.
Let's go around and have a look at the other side. There's another pile of mess. Get out of there, come on. Hello. All that rot's cut out now.
Yeah.
I've still got paint to strip.
Yeah, so let's do this 18 style.
welded up all the trim holes along the whole car now. We found another couple of holes which we're going to have to patch up, and hopefully that's the end of the welding. I'm just going to strip in this wing. I'm going to get on with the doors, welding up those trim holes, taking the paint off those, and Lewis is going to finish doing the welding inside the tubs. Hopefully try and get an arch on, if we can. Basically we're just cracking on, aren't we, Rusty? Yes, cracking on. I'm just hoping we can still finish this within the deadline, because it is taking a bit longer than we thought. Really, we should have been in some sort of epoxy by now.
We should have been primed. We should have been primed by now.
Yes.
Give us plenty of time to rub it down to paint it, but
we'll see. Let's carry on.
The magical wonders of a new project car.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Life is like a box of chocolates.
Right, let's get on with it.
Okay, good. Right, going.